In this lecture, we will try to discuss two types of contract in the Indian Contract Act, that is the quasi contract and the contingent contract. In our previous lectures, we have discussed the indemnity contract and the contract of guarantee. Students, what does a quasi contract actually means? As we have discussed, the quasi contract establishes equality before law. It is a contract, is a core document imposed and designed to prevent one party from unfairly benefiting at another party's expense, even though no contract exists between them. What does it say? It has been imposed by the court so that one party cannot enjoy at the expense of the other party. We'll try to understand the quasi contract with some examples or the rules. First rule, necessities or the necessary supplies for incapable person. A supplies B, who is a lunatic with necessaries suitable to his condition in life. A is entitled to be reimbursed from B's property. What does it mean? B, a lunatic person, means उसको कभी कभार झटके आते, ऐसा पीरियड जब उसको झटके आ रहा था, वो अपनी हालत या अपना अच्छा सोच नहीं सकता था. इस समय A helps him with the necessaries for life, that is food, shelter and all these medicines A supplies to B. In such a case, when B becomes good in health, then it is the job of the B to reimburse all the expenses to A, or all the expenses from B's property will be deducted and supplied to A. This is called as quasi contracts. The second example is benefit of a non-gratuitous act. As we have seen earlier, a tradesman leaves goods at B's house by mistake. B treats the goods as his own. Then, in such a case, A has to get the benefit from B, and B is bound to pay for all the goods he has enjoyed of A. These are some examples of quasi contract. So what does a quasi contract actually means? A quasi contract means you cannot enjoy at the expense of others. Now we will move on to the next type of contract, that is the contingent contract. The contingent contract is mentioned in section 31 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. It is defined as a contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract does or does not happen. We'll try to understand this with an example. Contingent contract are the ones where the promisor performs the obligation only when certain conditions are met. The contract of insurance, indemnity and guarantee are some examples of contingent contract. Contingent contract, simply to understand, these are the contract which are dependent upon another event. For example, A contracts to pay to B rupees 20,000. If B's house is burned, this is a contract. In case B's house is burned, A will pay the expenses. So these are the two more types of contract which are mentioned in the Indian Contract Act 1872. One is the quasi contract and second is the contingent contract.